Well, hi everybody, and basically welcome back. And this is what we got to water today. That's what we've just been shown in the conservatory, plus a few others we had going. And basically they're going to go into the greenhouse. You see there's a couple of pots or trays of dahlias, some more garlic, more dahlias, garlic and onions and all sorts of stuff really. And obviously them ones there. And that's the dahlia cut, not the chrysanthemum cuttings down there. We'll be taking some of when they get a bit bigger. So we've got some geraniums here we've got to take some cuttings from, which is quite good. And we've got a little bag of tulips here. Our daughter brought us back from Holland a little while ago. And now the daffs are going over. I'm going to plant them in there because these will be up in a few weeks' time. So that's quite good. Oh, there we go. Anyway, so time to get on with the watering. Only needs a little bit of a sprinkle really. Don't want to flood it too much. Well, that's it till the next time. See you later, folks.